Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy Toncoin on Telegram wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do this, you need to come to your Telegram wallet. Now, once you are on your wallet, you are going to see various options on the home page like send, add crypto, exchange, P2P market, etc. But on the home page, you will not be able to see any of the options that would allow you to directly buy it on coin on your Telegram wallet. Even if you tap on the Toncoin option, you will be able to see the send, receive, add crypto, and exchange option, but you will not be able to see the buy option over here. So in order to buy your own coin, you just have to deposit them from any other wallets or exchanges. So in order to deposit them, you just have to tap on the deposit button over here. Then it will ask you to provide your phone number, and you just have to verify your phone number. Afterwards, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address of your Toncoin. So you just have to copy the address from here. Then you just have to launch your Tonkeeper wallet. From here, you just have to scroll down and you need to tap on the Toncoin option. Then you need to tap on the send button. And in this section, you just have to provide the address that you have just copied from your Telegram wallet. After that, you just have to tap on the continue button in the bottom. And then you will be landed on the next page where you are going to see the amount of Toncoin that you have in your Tonkeeper wallet. Then you just have to enter the amount of Toncoin that you want to send, and then you just have to conclude your transaction. This way you will be able to get your Toncoin into your Telegram wallet. So that's basically how you can buy Toncoin on Telegram wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.